We are Steve and Jill.
Together, we've been buying and reselling land since the 90s.
Our data-centric approach leaves our buyers asking, how can you sell it so cheap?
Here on the Land Academy Show,
We answer that and more. Steve and Jill here.
Hi.
Welcome to the Land Academy Show. Entertaining land investment talk. I'm Stephen Jack Butella.
And I'm Jill DeWitt, broadcasting from sunny Southern California.
Today, Jill and I talk about why land resellers buy from us. We have a whole website called landstay.com, and the slogan is land acquisitions for resellers. And it's been this way for years and years and years, and this was not intentional.
Let's just cut to the chase. It's me.
It's the Jill Show.
Come on. No, I'm just saying. What do they buy from us? Because I get to talk to me.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
Jill,
just kidding.
That's hilarious.
Thank you.
It's probably not completely not true. I mean, it's probably,
Doesn't hurt.
There's
I got to tell you,
truth to that.
People call and there's a woman on the other line. And it's like, oh, okay. Sometimes it's hard to get them off the phone.
Here's the one reason. It's cheap.
Yeah. Isn't that funny?
It's cheap.
It's hilarious. That's one thing that I'll never get tired of that question. Like, what's wrong with it? I'm like, nope, nothing wrong with it.
Just nope.
Yeah. I seriously, it's like, it's nothing wrong with it. If you would like me to add more to the price, so it really is more in line with all the competition, I am happy to. And then they're like, oh, no. Got it.
Over the last lot of years, Jill and I have developed a lot of one-liners about the top 6 or 7 questions that we get
from buyers.
People.
Yeah.
And we only get them once because that's it. That puts it all to rest. And you know what? We'll answer them in just a minute here. Today's topic, why land resellers buy from us. This is the meat of the show.
I have some theories.
Go ahead.
All right. Here's what I think. Here's my personal take on why they buy from us. Number one, we make it easy. I have repeat customers that come back over and over and over again because I remember them. I keep their credit card on file. I know how they want their deed done every time. They don't have to ask me. So I make it so easy. I send them a list with a state, county, APN, and my price. And they can look it up at their leisure because remember, they're resellers. They're in my business. And they just pick the ones I want, 1, 2, 4, and 7. Great. Done. And that's the end of the conversation. And there is no conversation, by the way. It's an email to them. They pick them. They email me back. Great. We charge their card. We do the deed they want and get it recorded for them. And it's a done thing. So that's number one, I think, why they choose from us. Number two, we do what we say we're going to do. And it's not just resellers, but you better walk through life like this, by the way. You'll get further a lot faster if you do. And just do what you say you're going to do. And if you're not going to do it, say, hey, I got to be honest with you. This is my week. This is a horrible week for me. I can get to it on Tuesday. Is that going to work for you? And everybody's like, pfft, and everybody accepts it and we're all okay and you're not stressed out and making people unhappy. Number 3, I only have 4 here. Number 3 is, do you want to jump in at any moment?
Absolutely not.
I get on my list and I just
I can't hold a candle to this and it's a good coffee break for me.
Thank you. Yeah. Would you like, can I get you anything?
No, Joe, this is really, really valuable stuff.
Thank you. Okay. Number 3, why resellers choose from us? Transparency. We always are upfront and honest. If access sucks, we're going to tell you. If it's fantastic, we're going to tell you. If we're not real sure about, we think there's a flat spot over here with a slope. First of all, this is part of the transparency too. We would not have bought a property to try and resell it if we didn't feel it already. We would just pass on it all the way. We pass on way more properties than we buy. And we're very transparent about that. And we're very transparent about the property, what we know and what we don't know. We really put it out there. And the final thing is why I think everybody buys from us too is the history that we have of our business longevity is so powerful. I pick restaurants. I'm like, you know what? This restaurant's been in business for 10 years. There's a reason why. They wouldn't have made it 10 years. If they're around for 6 months, I might be a little iffy on them. Well, it's the same with us. And it's sad, especially in our industry, in a lot of our competition, other land sellers, in the 2008, 2009, 2010, what I meant to say, they went away. I feel bad, but we're one of the few that are still here. And the longevity and the history, and you could look us up and see what our customers think of us and say about us. And go look at our history on eBay. It's hilarious and staggering, the volume of what we did and the transactions. And that says a lot. So that's my list.
I mean, I could summarize what Jill set up, what Jill just said in one sentence. I mean, we didn't set out to do this, but we have established trust. We've established our customer base's trust, not only with our land sales operation, but houses and Land Academy and all of it. So that should be a goal. And if you want to have a mantra written above on your computer monitor on a sticky note, it should be establish trust.
Yeah.
That's why. I mean,
it's huge.
And when I alluded to in the beginning of the show about, answering questions, it's just from brand new people who they ask us, like, why the heck is this property so cheap? Which is a good question.
Yeah.
Why is it so cheap? Well,
because
we bought it for less than what we're asking you to pay for it.
Yeah.
Then their next question is, well, I want to do that.
Yeah, it's very true. That's how we got here.
To which we answer, you should join Land Academy.
Exactly.
That's how Land Academy started.
It's totally how it started.
We had to answer that question 42 times a week, and we just got tired of it.
Exactly. That's perfect. That's a great way to say it. Perfect. If you need access to any sort of ownership or property details, including owner phone numbers and FEMA flood map overlays, please check out parcelfact.com or neighborscoop.com. Created by investors, that's us, for investors like you.
We are Steve and Jill. Information
and inspiration
to buy undervalued property.
We hope you find our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.